Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including those to LiftForward and its business loan offerings, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using LiftForward. LiftForward is a specialized lending platform dedicated to providing equipment financing and working capital solutions specifically tailored for small and medium-sized businesses. If your business requires swift and streamlined funding for expansion or operational management, LiftForward could be an excellent fit. Offering both term loans and equipment financing, LiftForward typically provides loan amounts between $5,000 and $1 million. Repayment terms are flexible and depend on the specific loan type, generally spanning 12 to 60 months to align with your cash flow projections. A key advantage of LiftForward is its commitment to speed and simplicity. The online application process is designed to be user-friendly, minimizing the documentation burden often associated with traditional lenders. Approval decisions are frequently delivered within 24 hours, and funds are usually disbursed shortly thereafter. This rapid turnaround makes LiftForward a compelling choice for businesses requiring quick access to capital. One of the most valuable aspects of LiftForward is its customizable financing options, particularly for equipment leasing and purchasing. This flexibility is especially advantageous for businesses in sectors such as retail, manufacturing, and technology, where regular equipment upgrades and expansions are essential. LiftForward collaborates with vendors and businesses to create personalized payment plans, ensuring affordability and accessibility to critical assets. LiftForward is generally best suited for established businesses demonstrating consistent revenue streams and a reasonable credit history. While impeccable credit isn't mandatory, the platform considers factors including your business's financial stability and growth trajectory. Startups or businesses with fluctuating revenues might face greater difficulty in qualifying. Furthermore, interest rates can fluctuate based on creditworthiness and specific loan terms, making it crucial to carefully examine the offered rates. In summary, LiftForward presents a robust financing solution for businesses seeking rapid and adaptable funding, especially for equipment acquisitions and working capital requirements. Its streamlined application process, swift funding, and customizable options position it as a dependable resource for growth-oriented businesses. Utilize the links in the description below to explore LiftForward's loan options further and assess whether they align with your specific business objectives. This review aims to empower you to make a well-informed and confident decision regarding your financing needs.